Abacus class conduction. As a teacher, you are expected to be dressed elegantly and reach in class 10 minutes before start for preparing the class. Prepare the scoreboard before the students are in the class. The format of the scoreboard has columns that allow you to manage the entire class, check the scores of homework, classwork, and mental tests, etc. You must use the scoreboard to ensure proper operations and learning of the class. The objective is to make every student participate in every calculation done in the class. It also allows you to judge the performance of every student individually throughout the week. It is always a challenge to manage the high level of energy of kids. It is of utmost importance that you as a teacher exude energy of equal level. Hence, to start, greet the students with high energy. Thereafter, start with a few brain activities to make sure that every child becomes mentally participative and equally active. Spend a maximum of 10 minutes for this. The conduction of a class for 2 hours needs to be well planned so that it does not become tedious. Hence, the planning has to be very meticulous. Start with brain activities for 10 minutes. The written work session should not consume more than 1 hour. This should also include solving the practice sheets at least once in a month. This is available on your ERP. Oral and mental activities should be allowed for 10 minutes each. You must make sure that every student does the mental calculation for every question asked and they raise hands. The answer should be asked selectively to any student you may decide. Dedicate 5 minutes for speed writing and 20 minutes for games like bingo ride, dice, filmy, etc. Allow a break for 5 minutes after written work. You have exclusive point cards with each having a numerical value of 10, and these can be used for motivating the performers. You must also motivate the weaker students so that they are able to earn a point card one time or other. This can be done by asking them simpler questions which they can easily solve and will also add to their confidence. Tell the students to preserve the cards so that they can redeem after every level. You must check the copies of every student. The simplest way would be to swap the copies of students with each other, read aloud the answers and ask the students to check. Managing new admissions or absentees or weak students. Extra classes for absentees or weak students. You can decide upon a particular day of the week for conducting extra classes. The absentees or the students who are lagging behind and require additional practice can be called on that particular day. Extra classes for new admissions. In case there are a few admissions in between the class days, it is important that you plan for intermittent classes before the next regular class. This will make sure that the new student is at par with the ones who joined earlier. Be sure when you follow the above guidelines, you will be able to manage the class in the most effective way with best of results. In case of any need, do please contact the training department.